When everybody first gets into day trading, you may think that you need to be there to trade every single day, and that is just not the case. What's up, you guys? It's Keith from Stock Hours here, back again with another educational video. Today we're going to be talking about when to trade and when not to trade in the markets. So like I said at the beginning of the video, a lot of you guys might think as soon as you start trading, you have to be there every single day for the market. And honestly, that ends up being a little bit more hurtful than it is helpful. We'll go through a few different situations where it's probably best to just stay away from the markets and just avoid trading for the day or maybe even the week. So as you guys can tell here, I'm on vacation right now, and honestly, this is one of the times where I would say not trading is perfectly okay. I used to get the feeling whenever I first started trading that if I missed a day or even a trade in the market, that my entire week and entire month and year was going to be completely ruined. This mindset, like I said, is more hurtful than it is helpful the majority of the time. If I would have stayed cash on all the days that I probably should have, I would be at the same exact spot or probably a little bit ahead of where I am right now. Staying cash on the days where you think it's probably best to stay cash will generally help you out in the long run. The main problem that people have with this is when you're day trading, obviously everything you're doing and everything you're focusing on is all short term. So when you're focusing on these short term trades, these short term profits, whatever, when you're focusing on these things, it's a lot harder to look at the bigger picture. So it's difficult for a lot of people to differentiate the day trades into the big picture. Now, all the days that I took trades where I probably should have just stayed cash, once again, probably equaled themselves out to being about flat or maybe even a little bit red compared to just staying cash on these days. When you notice that the market is in a cycle where you are not really getting great setups or great follow through, the back and forth tiny scalps to the upside, you're green, and then you knock yourself back down the same amount red the next day. Going back and forth like this over and over and over until the market gets back into a good cycle would be the same exact effect of if you just stayed cash that whole time. The only extra part of that is you don't have all the extra stress of, is this going to be a choppy day? So like I was saying, when you notice that the market is in a choppy cycle, this will be another great time to just stay cash. And honestly, any other situations where you know that you're not in a normal spot, you're not in a normal mindset, or you have way too many outside factors going on to actually focus on your trades, it is the majority of the time a better idea to just stay cash. So I'm gonna knock it back to our original point here. I know it's great to trade on vacation. I know that one of the best parts of trading is having the freedom to be able to do it from wherever you want. Now, if you are a frequent traveler, then obviously make sure that you're trading on a consistent basis. Make sure you're staying up to date with everything, staying consistent just like you should be. But for me, myself, I am not a huge traveler, so I'm home the majority of the time. Now, this vacation week is 1 week out of the year where I know I'm not gonna be home. So, is it okay for me to stay cash this week? Yes, it is. It's completely okay. If you're taking a vacation, enjoy your vacation. You don't have to bring work along with you if you're just taking these vacations every now and then. Now, if you're out all the time, once again, it's going to be very difficult to get locked into a good schedule if you're staying cash every time you're not home. But like I said, if you are an infrequent traveler and you're taking a vacation with family or friends and you want to enjoy that vacation, just stay cash. Your head is not going to be in the game, and you're really just not going to feel normal when you're trading if this is an off chance type of thing where you're gone every once in a while. So that is why personally I've stayed cash this whole trip. Could I have taken trades? Yes, but do I want to understand the fact that A, I'm not in my normal environment, B, I'm not completely focused on trading, and C, I want to be able to enjoy my day and not have to worry about sitting around and getting stuck in a trade for 2.5 hours whenever I could just be out on the beach having fun, for this short period of time while we're here. So to end this video off, I just want to say, obviously stay consistent, make sure you're on the top of your game, but it is completely okay to stay cash. One of the best parts about trading is the fact that you are not locked into a 9 to 5 where you have to go clock in, do what your boss tells you, clock out, and then leave. You can make your own decisions. Nobody is forcing you to take trades, and especially nobody is forcing you to take bad trades. So just have a clear mindset, understand where you're gonna be, where you're currently at, and focus on the big picture. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Hope you guys finish off the week green. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notifications, and drop a comment down below with any questions you might have. So once again, we'll see you on the next one. Peace.